The fourth step of the SQ3R method is recite. Recite the question and quickly cover up your answer that you wrote down from the previous section. And can you answer it without looking? If you can answer it without looking, it meant that you were paying attention while you read, you understood what you read, and you could recall what you read. Now that's excellent retention. That's excellent comprehension in the content area. If you need to peek a few times, there's no problem with that. That's like getting a B or a C on a quiz. But you keep reviewing it till you can answer it confidently. What is science? And if you can, then you're ready to go on to the next heading, turn it into a question, read and take notes, recite the question, can you answer it? You just work one section at a time and make sure you understood what you have just finished reading before you move on to the next heading. Now, I tell my students when they're taking their notes that they should always leave a space. And I usually say it's like a pinky space, but it's about 2 or 3 inches between the end of the notes from one heading to the next heading. Why? Because teachers might add additional information that's not in the textbook or online textbook, but it might be other resources that they feel are equally important and they want to share with the student. And so you always want to leave a nice gap of space so that when the teacher is going over those notes in class, you can just add them where they belong in the notebook. So it's not stuck on 5 pages back class notes. You want it all to be together and organized and quick there for review. Parents, you can any day when they're done, they should be reviewing daily. So you can ask to see their SQ3R notebook and just look at those heading questions and say, what is science? What are the types of sciences? Can you tell me what they are and what they mean? So you can just review by looking at their own SQ3R notebook, and you can help them quiz. You can make a game of it. You can, anything as creative as you are, you can do whatever you need, but it doesn't need to be an hour's worth. It only needs to be about 5 minutes.